Having laid our foundation, we want to look at the ribbons we have on Excel, starting with our file. Under our file, we have the home, we have the new, we have the open. These are the things we essentially have on our screen startup. And then back here, we have our home, we have our insert. So for under our home, we have some tabs we are going to also play with. We have our inserts, we have our draw, we have, if you are not using 365, you might not see some of this see some of these tabs, these ribbons. We have the page layout, we have the formula, we have data, we have our review, we have our view, we have our automate, and then we have our developer side where we do our VBAs, our micros, and then we have our help. This is where your ribbons should actually end. So depending on other softwares you are using with it, for my own end, I have Acrobat rather. That's the PDF connected to this PDF reader connected to it. I have PlanSwift. PlanSwift is another software entirely on my laptop, but then I have an integration of it to my Excel just to connect. So third-party softwares can actually be linked to your Excel. That's what this is for. But then these are the basic guys that you will see, and then any other third-party software that you are linking up with your Excel. So that's about your ribbon.